Roadkill refers to animals that have been struck and killed by vehicles on roads and highways. This unfortunate occurrence is a result of the intersection between wildlife habitats and human infrastructure, often leading to fatal collisions between animals and vehicles. As roads and highways cut through various landscapes, they can disrupt natural habitats, migration routes, and territories of wild animals. Animals may attempt to cross roads to access food, water, mates, or other essential resources, putting them at risk of colliding with fast-moving vehicles. The term roadkill encompasses a wide range of animals, from small mammals and birds to larger species like deer and elk. The impact of roadkill extends beyond the immediate loss of animal life. It can have ecological, environmental, and safety implications. Animals that fall victim to roadkill include not only common species, but also those that might be endangered or threatened. These incidents can disrupt ecosystems, impact predator-prey relationships, and even affect plant populations if animals like pollinators are affected. Roadkill incidents can also pose risks to human safety. Collisions with larger animals, such as deer, can cause significant damage to vehicles and result in accidents that harm drivers and passengers. Swerving to avoid animals can lead to dangerous situations, and the presence of roadkill on roads can attract scavengers and contribute to the spread of diseases. Efforts to mitigate roadkill often involve a combination of strategies. Building wildlife crossings, such as overpasses or underpasses, can provide safe pathways for animals to cross roads without encountering vehicles. These crossings help reconnect fragmented habitats and reduce the risk of collisions. Additionally, warning signs indicating areas with high wildlife activity can alert drivers to be more cautious and reduce their speed. Awareness campaigns and educational initiatives also play a role in addressing roadkill. Educating the public about the importance of watching out for wildlife while driving and promoting responsible behavior, such as not littering or feeding animals near roads, can contribute to reducing the frequency of these incidents. In conclusion, roadkill refers to animals that have been struck and killed by vehicles on roads and highways. It highlights the intersection between human infrastructure and wildlife habitats, leading to fatal collisions and potential ecological disruptions. Efforts to address roadkill involve strategies such as wildlife crossings, warning signs, and public education to reduce the impact on both animal populations and human safety.